tropical evergreen forest. This forest is a forest which is closer to equator. It is well it is been close due to closing of closer to the equator. It has a high temperature and excessive rainfall, which keep it or completely hot, remains hot and wet all over the year. Okay, here the most important trees are sycamore, rubber, abbey, rosewood, and they are commonly found in this area. This forest location is in Amazon basin and South America, and the main area of these forests are been also found in Malaysia, with Southeast Asia, and also at the part of Philippines, Zaire basins in Africa as well. So in this Amazon basins, the forest is also known as selvas. Okay, so this is something which is about tropical. It is being known as tropical evergreen forest because it lie near to equator, which thing we need to understand in this. Okay, as we move away from the equator, the seasonal and the temperature changes as tropical monsoon forest. This is the forest which is really been known for the monsoon type and the climatic condition, but the season is dry and wet spells, which means that the area is been completely dry, but due to the rainfall or due to the during the monsoon season there is a heavy rainfall that is being also for that the region is been remaining wet. These forests are mainly located in the Indian subcontinents, Eastern Africa and Sri Lanka, Northeast Australia, and also found in Southeast USA. These area is been having the particular kind of trees which are have their commercial values, and the varieties of these are mainly sandalwood, sal, bamboo and teak. Okay, so these two forests are very important forests which give maximum kind of production which is being used for the commercial use. Now moving on evergreen forest, with the name we can understand that these forests remain green for complete year. Here the temperature is also a warm temperature, and it lies in the region of southeast Brazil and the tropical southern Japan and southern China, the path of southeast USA and the southeast Australian trees. I would also like to explain you that the major which we've been seeing is walnut, pine, oak and mulberry are the major types of trees or the productions being getting it from the evergreen forest. So this is something which we need to understand. Coming on the Mediterranean forest, if this is the forest area where there is hot dry summer and warm wet winter. It has been created by the Mediterranean Sea. These forests are very dense and medium height and evergreen. So therefore it has been found in the location of Italy, Spain, Israel or South France, Turkey, Central Chile, California in the USA and southwestern Australia. The important trees which we get here is orange, pine, olive, oak. The citrus food is the orange, lemon and grapefruit have been also found in this area, that is Mediterranean forest. Okay, with this only I have brought a video for you through which you can understand very well about the tropical forest. So go through the video and mark the important points in your book. Thank you and please proceed. Important
Good morning, students. I am Pragati, your social science teacher, and today we are going to talk about chapter 3 of geography, in which we were studying about the natural habitat and the tropical forest. Till now, we have studied about the tropical monsoon forest and tropical green forest. Now, we will proceed with the evergreen forest. So, the tropical evergreen forest. First of all, just mark with this graph and take a screenshot of this so that you can also understand that how you can learn your topic in a nicer and in a note form. This timetable, this table will help you out in one or another way, as it will help you to learn all the characteristics, locations and the cultivation or the crop grown in a particular area. Okay, so here the forest name will be there. Okay, so the forest name is first which we are going to study about is tropical evergreen forest. In this forest, the main characteristic of this is that it is having a warm temperature. It has been grown in the warmer temperature because the humidity will be always high in this area. Humidity will be humid, it will be in humid temperature. The location of these forests are southeast Brazil, southern Japan में होता है, ब्राज़ील में है, southern China, part of southeast USA and southeastern Austria. So these are the areas where these kind of forests, where the evergreen forest been found. Now after this, what we are going to study about is that what kind of crops are grown here. The cultivation of the trees are of walnut, oak and mulberry. Mulberry and walnut and oak are the forest crops which have been grown over this area. Now, Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean forest is developed at a hot, dry and summer area where it is in high, hot, dry area or summer season. Mostly warm, wet winters are been also the place where these kind of forest develop, and it is very dense in forest. The Mediterranean forests are very dense forest. Then the trees and the Mediterranean height or we can say the tree have a medium height of the particular trees are there, and they are known as also evergreen. They also remain evergreen all over the time. Okay, so and it is like a small needle-like leaves. Small needle-like leaves are there. Now coming on the location, they are France. In France we can find these forests. Shire, California, USA or southwestern Australia are the areas where we can find such kind of these are the locations where we can find Mediterranean forest. Okay, now coming over the cultivation part, if we come over cultivation plant, which kind of trees are grown here, like cedar, pine, olive, oak. Citrus food is been also grown, such as orange, lemon or grapefruit. These are also being found in Mediterranean forest. Okay, now coming on the forest, that is Californian forest. This forest is being in area which is small. These leaves are also the needle-like leaves are being there. They found in an extreme cold environment. जो extreme cold environment होता है वहाँ पे ये Californian forest grown होता है, develop होता है. ठीक है, trees जो है वो straight होते हैं, tall होते हैं and evergreen होते हैं. जो trees है वो evergreen होते हैं, tall है और straight trees है. Okay, these are also known as taiga. These forests are also known as taiga forest. So the area where they are grown are Pineland, Sweden, Norway, southern Canada, Russia and Siberia. So these are the areas, these are where it has been grown. Okay, Siberia, Russia, South Canada, Norway, Sweden and Finland. These are the areas. Now coming over the cultivation part. So the cedar, fir, pine and spruce are the plants, are the trees which are grown in this area. Okay, fir, spruce, pine, spruce and the cedar are the trees which are grown. These are the trees which are grown in the California forest. Okay, so now coming over these, after taking the forest, after talking about the forest, now we are moving forward over the other part. For that you have to read your book, and after reading your book, make a timetable in such a way where you can mark the characteristic of the forest, the location and the cultivational trees which should be there. Okay, so these are the things which you need to mark in your book. You can write, make a table like this in your notebooks for chapter 3rd geography. In the starting of the chapter I will surely mark it, check it, so don't forget. If you will not draw a table like this, your chapter will be considered incomplete. Okay, so take care of this and thank you and have a nice day.